Hey all beautiful women and handsome men, so apologies from our side due to some technical issue. We have got some delay in our live, so don't miss to watch out from here. Even if you want to see the previous sarees, please mention us in the comment section. Also, we'll make one more video for you guys. Let's continue our live now, and so sorry for the inconvenience provided. And today we are showing Banarasi silk at Weavers prices. We are now seeing green color saree with floral booties all over the body, and on the borders we have got florals with a lovely diamond brocade pallu. So the blouse is self blouse, which is plain with this amazing border. Let me show you the pricing and code details. G906 is the code and price is 42,804 rupees. If you would like to purchase this amazing saree, take a screenshot of all the code details and send us on our WhatsApp number 8889104104. Let me show you one more beautiful saree. So all the handsome men who are watching our live, what are you waiting for? Please purchase these sarees which are coming for Weavers prices and gift to your sisters, mothers and also your loved ones. So let me show you one more lovely saree. We are now seeing mustard and yellow color saree, yellow and blue color combination with floral jal all over the body. And on the borders we have got diamonds. And the beautiful pallu with diamond brocade. And this amazing saree has got the contrast blouse with this lovely border. Let me show you the pricing and code details. L124 is the code and price is 12,710 rupees. So all the lovely ladies, we ship globally, so global service courier option is available all over across the world. We are now seeing maroon and red color combination saree with floral booties all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral jal with zigzag lines in red color. And on the pallu we have got zigzag lines with floral jal. Wow! Contrast blouse and also with this beautiful border. Let me show you the code and pricing details. L126 is the code and price is 8,446 rupees. Moving on to one more beautiful saree. We are now seeing this amazing saree with magenta color. So it has also got this purple and pink shade with florals in multi checks all over the body and with kaddi borders. Let me show you the pallu. It has got kaddis with florals. With the plain blouse, so with this border. Moving on to the pricing details. MJ3808 is the code and price is 17,630 rupees. If you would like to purchase this beautiful saree, take a screenshot of all the code details and WhatsApp on our number 8889104104. Let me show you this detailing of the saree. Amazing this is, so don't miss to purchase our lovely collection. Today we are seeing Banarasi silk at Weavers prices. So we ship globally and global service courier option is available all over across the world. Wow. We are now seeing cream and blue color saree with floral booties in jerry checks all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral jal with flower vases and zigzag lines. Moving on to the pallu, we have got flower vases with floral jal in boxes in blue color. And the blouse is contrast in blue color. Let me show you the code and pricing details. L157 is the code and price is 15,880 rupees. 15,088 rupees, sorry. Alright, so now we are showing a purple and pink color saree detailing. So have a quick look. Alright, so let me show you my beautiful jewelry. This jewelry is exclusively from SRJ Jewelers and they have got 3 stores all over the world. Amirpet, Jubilee Hills, and for the abroad customers they have got a store in USA also. We are now seeing this orange and green color combination saree with floral booties all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral booties with cross lines. And the pallu is with floral booties in lines. So for this saree we have got this contrast blouse along with this lovely border. Let's see the pricing details. L122 is the code and price is 8,282 rupees. This saree is really coming for budget friendly. I mean it is so affordable, 8,000, that to Banarasi silk we are providing, and this price is weaver's price. Within 24 hours if you order while watching the live, then only these prices are applicable, that is weaver's prices. Let me show you one more lovely saree. We are now seeing blue and pink color combination saree with floral booties all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral jal. And this amazing pallu is with floral brocade. Let me show you the blouse. This is the contrast blouse in pink color along with this lovely border. Moving on to the pricing and code details. L141 is the code and price is 8,692 rupees. Alright, moving on to one more beautiful saree. We are now seeing white and pink color combination with floral booties in cross checks all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral jal. And this pallu is designed with kadis with floral jal. And this saree has got the self blouse which is plain and also it has got this border. Moving on to the pricing and code details of this lovely saree. L99 is the code and price is 16,072 rupees. My dear beautiful ladies, we ship globally. Global service courier option is available all over across the world. So if you are watching the live and if you would like to purchase any saree, we have providing this global service courier option available. Amazing and awesome, such a royal and beauty this is, in pink color with floral booties all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral jal. And this beautiful pallu is with kadis with floral booties. And this saree has got the self blouse with this lovely border. Let me show you the pricing and code details. K239 is the code and price is 20,746 rupees. So Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for pure hand woven silks. So these sarees are exclusively designed with all the elements of the nature taken and originated. So, and the story is so divine, you know, the Om chanting and also the feel of this goddess, and these sarees are so good. So you have to purchase, and also you must visit these stores to experience this divine feel also. We are now seeing navy blue color saree with florals and leaves jals in lines all over the body. And on the borders we have got florals and birds. And this pallu is diamond brocade pallu. And this saree has got the self blouse with this amazing border. Let me show you the pricing and code details. L95 is the code and price is 15,744 rupees. For any type of enquiries and also feedback, contact us on our number at 888-9104104. This is the number. So if you have any queries or if you want to give us any feedback or see any type of sarees or fabrics or color combinations, this is the only number you have to contact. We are now seeing maroon color saree with floral booties in cross checks all over the body. And on the borders we have got paisley booties in lines. And the pallu is with floral brocade. This beautiful saree has got the self blouse with this amazing border. Let me give you the pricing and coding details. L104 is the code and price is 14,022 rupees. If you would like to purchase this amazing saree, take the screenshot of all the code details and send us on our WhatsApp number 888-9104104. Alright, moving on to one more lovely saree. Wow, this is so smooth and lightweight in green color, and on the body we have got florals and leaves jal. The borders are with floral booties in cross checks. And this pallu has got diamond brocade. This amazing saree has got the contrast blouse, which is so plain. There is nothing on the blouse because the saree is so heavy and grand. So we don't need anything on the blouse, so it is as is. You can stitch also. It looks so beautiful. Let me show you the pricing details. L85 is the code and price is 12,710 rupees. So we have got 14 stores all over across the India. So our stores are, sorry, one second. So we have got 14 stores all over across the India. One is at Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka are the main stores. You must visit our stores to experience this divine feel also. We are now seeing magenta and yellow color combination saree with floral booties in thread work. And on the borders we have got floral jal with diamonds. and the pallu is with diamond brocade. Let me show you the blouse. This blouse is contrast blouse in yellow color with this amazing border. Moving on to the pricing details. L98 is the code and price is 21,402 rupees. Let me quickly show you one more lovely saree. Wow. We are now seeing green and also red color combination saree with floral booties in zari all over the body. And on the borders we have got floral booties with floral jal in green color. Moving on to the pallu, we have got brocade with cross lines. And this is the contrast blouse with this lovely border. Let me show you the code and pricing details. L139 is the code and price is 16,341 rupees. Moving on to one more beautiful saree. Wow, this is so unique. We are now seeing in green and pink color combination with small zari checks all over the body. And on the borders we have got peacocks and florals in circles in pink color. And this pallu is with diamond brocade. We have got the contrast blouse with this amazing border. Let me tell you the price and coding details. L163 is the code and price is 17,630 rupees. If you would like to purchase our beautiful collection today, take a screenshot of all the code details and send us on our WhatsApp number 8889104104. We are now seeing magenta and pink color combination saree. On the body we have got florals and leaves gel. And this beautiful borders has got leaves and floral gel. And this pallu is in brocade in pink color. So this is the contrast blouse in pink color along with this lovely border. Let me give you the pricing and code details quickly. L53 is the code and price is 15,498 rupees. Moving on to one more lovely saree. So we are today seeing Banarasi silk collection at Weavers prices. This is in red color with lotus and geometrical shapes all over the body. And the borders has got leaves gel. Let's see the pallu. This pallu is floral brocade pallu with a contrast blouse. So this is the blouse and this is how it looks. Let me show you the pricing details. L60 is the code and price is 23,616 rupees. So for all the queries and also feedback, contact us on 8889104104. Also, if you'd like to purchase any saree, whichever saree you like, take a screenshot of all the code details and send us on our WhatsApp number 8889104104. Come, let's quickly see the mannequins and pricing code details. We are now seeing light orange and maroon color saree with floral booties with stars all over the body. This is such a unique design with new trend also, because it has got stars on the body and also with cross lines on the borders. And the pallu is with floral booties with cross lines again. So this is the pallu. It has got the contrast blouse. Let me give you the pricing and code details. D130 is the code and price is 21,402 rupees. Moving on to one more saree on the mannequin. We are now seeing bottle green color saree with silver and gold buttas all over the body. And with floral borders, and the pallu has got diamond brocade in pink color. Let's see the pricing details. A786 is the code and price is 22,058 rupees. We have two more mannequins, let's see. We are now seeing purple and yellow color combination sarees with floral booties all over the body. These are Jamdani work florals on the borders and with diamond brocade pallu. This saree has got contrast blouse and these are the pricing details. MJ3797 is the code and price is 23,288 rupees. We are now seeing pink color saree with florals and leaves gel all over the body. With florals and leaves borders, and on the pallu we have got brocade. This is the beautiful pallu. Let me show you the pricing details. G523 is the code and price is 49,036 rupees.
बहुवत्तडाहं सुसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः विष्णुश्च श्रियं ददातु पशुपतिश्च वशं ददातु कुबेरश्च धनं ददातु सर्वादेवता अमृतं ददातु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु धान्यं बहुवत्तडाहं सुसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायुः.
All right, lovely ladies, this is our collection for today. So we have shown you Banarasi silk sarees at Weavers prices, and we ship globally. Global service courier option is available all over across the world. Today we are coming up with one more live with beautiful designs, that too at 10 p.m. So all over across the world, if you are living abroad, this is a right timing for you, I know. So we have planned it that way at 10 p.m. one more live. Until then, Sandhya signing off. Bye bye.